Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you have a crack in the ceiling that's an eyesore? It's annoying and it keeps coming back regardless what you do. Well, we're gonna fix this crack for good. So let's get started. What we're gonna do is just come in on the side, just hit it on each side. See how I just break it off? And you don't have to press too hard, just lightly. Just let your blade, the weight of the blade, actually do all the work for you. So the next step, what I'm going to do is just take 80 grit sandpaper and actually go over what I just did with the scraper to make sure that we have it smoothed down. I'm not going to sand it hard. I'm just going to make sure that any particles that I may have missed, that I'm just going to actually have it removed. So I just want to kind of go over it lightly. I don't have to go real hard. I think we did a pretty good job on smoothing out the crack, and we have all the excess broken debris out of the way. Next step, we're going to actually use our tape. I'm going to take a paper towel, or you can grab a rag, and we're just going to wipe the excess dust away, because we want to make sure the tape is going to stick well to the ceiling. We don't want anything to interfere with the tape staying on the ceiling. Do a 3-foot section at a time. You just put your thumb right in the center of the tape, in the center of the line. Take your hand. And then we're going to put on our patching plaster. And I just put one good thin coat on it, because the less I have on it, the less I have to sand. You basically just want to cover the tape. We're going to let this dry. And I got a little heavy over here, but once I got warmed up, it thinned out. And like I say, the thinner you get it, the less sanding that you actually will have to do. So we're gonna let that dry for a while. This is what I have so far, and I haven't been up there long. So I like to get a piece of cardboard. In this case, I happen to find this in the trash can, something to catch the dust, because when I'm up there actually sanding, I like to be able to catch something before it actually hit the floor, and that'll be less that you had to actually clean up. And this is what we had to sand off, and that's why it's important to get it as thin as possible, and that'd be the less that you had to sand. This is what we have already sand. So it don't have to be perfect like you sand in the automobile, but you do want to actually make sure you get it flat as possible, especially the edges. Now that we finished sanding, then you just want to take a rag and just wipe off the dust. That makes a big difference too as well. It's time to paint. And you want to paint not just the part that you repaired, but you just want to go a little bit wider. I recommend going at least about 2 inches wider, so it just blend in a lot better. That should do it. Everything looks good. And I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. God bless.